Characteristics of index numbers. As we know, an index number is a statistical device to show changes in variables or a group of related variables with respect to time and geographical location and other characteristics. On the basis of the above definition, characteristics of index number can be stated as follows. First, index number is a numerical measure. Index number always expresses the changes in the form of numbers and not in qualitative analysis. Its qualitative form is only to say a decrease or increase with reference to time. Index numbers always express it in numbers. Second, average of percentage. Index number is a special type of average. The base year data is taken as 100 and the data of current year is converted into percentage, which are called price relatives. On the basis of average of all price relatives, general index number is calculated. Third, basis of comparison. Index numbers by their nature are comparative. They compare changes taking place over time or between places or like categories. Generally, comparison is done on the time basis. For example, the wholesale price index number of 2014 was 125 in comparison to 100 in 2013. Then it can be concluded that the price rise was net 25%. But this does not mean that there has been no decrease or increase more than 25% in price of any commodity. This is only a composite average. Fourth, index number are expressed in percentage. Absolute figure of degree of changes are not comparable. Thus, it is essential to convert them in a relative measure. For this, the base is taken as 100 and it is expressed in percentage. Fifth, comparison with a variable price. The main characteristics of index number is that it helps in comparative analysis of a class at various time and places, whereas no other measure of statistics make it possible. Universal application. Index number has a universal application. In the modern age, index number is not only used to measure the price level but also in industrial production, sales volume, progress evolution in public and private sectors, and in other social, political, and economic fields. Index number Index number is considered as the basis of successful planning. In the changing world, index number is very helpful in analyzing the changes in economic and commercial field. We consider it as the economic barometer.